father of nature, I'm just another creature living in a corner of your heart, trying to find the meaning in the dark, trying to find the meaning in the dark. Oh Father in heaven, I'm shy of 27, if my arms are soon to fall apart. Should I be busy building you an ark, or fill it with the creatures of the dark? My own skin, oh my own skin, so long ago did it begin. Remember me.
Hey, I'd like to introduce you to Albus. We've spent the last 3 years converting an old school bus into a house bus, and we just moved in last night. He's not quite finished yet, and not on our final property, but we did try him out, and all the mechanisms seem to be working more or less okay. So I'll give you an in-depth look inside. Yes, welcome to the workshop. This is where I get to play all day. I've managed to fit pretty much all of my tools in here: drill presses, milling machine, lathe. Still have space for the table saw and drop saw, and then a whole lot of bench space as well. So pretty happy with how this has turned out. And over here is where the office will be. Still have to make a desk that sits down over top of the steering wheel, and then we can walk through this back door into the house. This wall slides. Come on in. So welcome to the kitchen. Really what I've tried to do is squeeze all the services into one little tiny footprint, so we've got a whole lot of extra sort of free space in the bus. Here we've got our sink. If you need to fill up a bottle or something, you can move this tap around. Wash your dishes, everything goes up here on the dish rack to dry, and this is a great space saver. Here we've got these square pots, so we can stick 3 of them all along our cooker here. So we still get to cook 3 things at once. And this door opens up to the pantry, where Amelia has filled it with all our spices and teas and beans and grains. The other side also opens up. We have our blender and grinder. These are all drawers full of more pantry items. There's also the microwave sitting on the top here, which has an oven in it and a grill. Now this bench top also folds up, so we can have a whole lot of empty space. Now we have lots of space for yoga and dancing and things like that. Fridge here as well. It's not a bad sized fridge. So you can really appreciate how much space we've got now. And there's our lounge room in the back with our nice tiny little chairs, which both our bottoms fit into perfectly comfortable. Some French doors on the side here, which will open out onto a deck, and of course the cozy little pot-belly fireplace, which would should be nice in winter. And then down the bottom here is the bed, hanging our wardrobe clothing up there, and then along the back we have hanging baskets for all of our folded clothing. You might notice these cables up here. That's because there's a winch, and this whole floor can be lowered right down to match this other surface here. So we can have one nice big flat floor if we like. And now we can head into the bathroom. So we have the slide out hand basin in the drawer, and this also pulls out to be used as a shower. The retractable spring-loaded hose. Behind here is our front loader washing machine, and then the toilet also slides out. And here is the slide out toilet, which is currently a porta toilet, but we could also turn that into a composting toilet. I do have a bilge pump, so I can pump it out into the septic as well.
Contraptioncard.com